Tuesday. 2. Give me another one. 2, 3. Yay! Nice. Drop my mails off. All the packaging you guys should be receiving your tracking for orders of last week. And what else? Yeah, and I stopped by, not the Caribbean store, but Miss Chin, another Caribbean spot. Got me some stuff. I did take out some chicken breast to do, I don't know what I was gonna cook, but I got Nestum for Olivia and just a little something. I spent like $40, so it's not a lot. Like crackers, and I did get some pop chow. So I think I'm gonna do some chop suey or something like that, because I had some in the fridge before and I don't want it to spoil. It's been a while I don't cook that, so I'm gonna put my flair to it. Do the chicken breast with the pop choy. And that's what we're cooking for dinner with some rice. I won't be eating it. Oh my God! I won't be eating rice. I'll probably do some string beans and broccoli and carrots on the side. So I'm tired. Still tired. Oh, we get the package. We have a package right here to open, and Cushing gets back from Miss Birdie. This is coming from Jamaica. Oh. Miss Birdie. So yeah, we're gonna open that when Cushing comes back. But I'm super tired, so the stuff is here. I'm gonna prep the food while you guys watch me cook. It is Tuesday. It is late. You might not see this video, so when you see it, happy Thursday or happy Friday or happy Wednesday. But I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I came home and I washed Olivia's hair this morning, so it needs to comb and stuff. You guys already saw my sew-in. So the curls are still there because I'm wearing raw hair. Stand up, baby, for a minute. She don't want to go down. Wait, all right, okay. Look. Here. Put it on your hand. So it still have the curl. If you guys notice, my hair color is still in it, but I think I like it. You know, it's can fling it home. I want it, catch it up, pin it up, wrap it up, however. If the curls are loose, then I can add some curls. I did let Tay cut it, so it's really light. We have piece. It's not the 3 bundles completely, so I just wanted something more natural and more me. You know, I just can't bother the fussy stuff, and you guys did see my nails already. Just real plain, simple pink. Can manage, it's manageable. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're gonna cook. Tell me what you think of this recipe. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and this is my way. Always remember that, alright? So if you have a different way, you can leave a comment and I'll try it. Just like how you guys told me how to make my own salad dressing, because I don't want to add extra calories or sodium, so I normally eat my thing plain, and to be honest, them just don't taste good to me, so you know. But cooking. This is the chicken breast. This is a fresh pop choy that I bought, so I might not use it because I have some old one. I got me some avocado. These are washed, so I'm just waiting for them to drain off. But I had this one in the fridge, so I think I'm going to cut some off this because it's been a minute and I need to get rid of it. So we're going to use up this one first. It's healthy. Most of this probably have to throw away, and I use this one with it. So let's get into it.
Close. Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how he said.
So it's springing water. I did take the cover off because it's too much water. I wasn't talking earlier because I was just not in it. And I will add the ginger. I like to cook with ginger. So if you're wondering why the ginger, it gives it a flavor and I just love it. So I add ginger when I'm cooking. Alright, so this is it. This is the color. We will keep it. We just add some fish and meat season. That's it, no other color. I'm gonna wait until it's almost done. Then I add the onions, the bell peppers and carrots, and I'm gonna wait last to add the green onions slash scallion. We also have the rice here in the rice cooker. It's boiling. A green pepper, butter, scallion and thyme is in that, and that will do its job by itself. That's not needed. I'm not needed for this one. Then right here I have the pak chow. It's draining off. It's in a strainer, as you guys can see. So this is washed with salt water. Always wash your food with salt water. Alright, so a lot of persons was asking me about the fish that I roast. I did not talk because Kushane was live the night, so I couldn't talk. So this is what I do. After I stuff the fish, make sure you use a foil paper. As you see in the video, you grease the foil paper. You can add some extra butter for, you know, it just tastes better. Stuff it with your okra and your carrots. If you want to add callaloo, I just didn't want any callaloo. And if you want other veggies, that's fine. Make sure you use your garlic. Season the fish inside and out. Make sure it's washed. All of that. Stuff the fish. Make sure you wrap it extremely tight. Not with only one foil paper. After you completely wrap it where you can see it, you wrap it 2 more times with foil paper. Make sure all ends are folded and it's tight in the container. I put my oven to, I think it was 385 degrees or 390, and I left it in the oven for 40 minutes. The reason why I did 40 minutes was because the fish was a bit bigger. If you have smaller fish, you can use like 30-35 minutes. But then you can check it, go in, open it and look. And then that will tell you how long you want it. You can put your fork in it. You also can slice the fish, so that way it's steam or roast easier, whichever way. So you leave it in the oven for 40 minutes. A lot of persons messaged me. They said I did not talk. I did not tell them how long I left the fish for. Make sure you guys go cook it. It tastes so good. I have more fish. I will be doing it again. I might do it as more detail, but it won't be a roast fish video, but just something else, and do it all over for you guys again, because you guys love it. So we're going to finish cook. Guys, I'm adding seasoning the carrots to it, and then we are going to stir it because the water is we're going to cover this and let it steam some more, and then add the pak chow to it, and that's it. What should you have a drop? Alright guys, so this is done. I'm gonna add the chopped suey in, not the chopped suey, the pak chow in right now. Carry the for the 4 people. You heard that the girl cook on, I should have tell me. So we're gonna let this steam, and then we're alright guys, so I'm just gonna add the green pepper. That's it. Here, this one, yeah. Stir it. This is it guys. Just we're gonna leave it for 2 minutes, and that's it. Then we can turn it off. So that's it.